In our daily life, we could see a lot of bolts, screws. Do you ever have a question about that? Are they the same? The bolts and screws are specified into different classes according to their properties. You may see some numbers on the bolts, like 4.8, 8.8, 12.9. What that means? In the standard of ISO 898-1, the number to the left of the dot indicates 1/100th of the nominal tensile strength in megapascal. The number to the right of the dot indicates 10 times the ratio between the nominal yield strength and the nominal tensile strength. Let's make an example. The marking symbol 9.8. 9 means that the nominal tensile strength is 9 times 100 equals 900 megapascals. 8 means the ratio is 0.8. So the nominal yield strength is 900 times 0.8 equals 720 megapascals. Got that?